Hello, in this lesson, we are completing the square step by step. And our first step to take is to write the expression. And I'm going to write it with a blank. That is x squared plus 8x. And then we have a blank plus 3. And the reason why I'm doing this, leaving it blank, is because we're going to add a number that creates a perfect square. That means the next step we need to take is to calculate the number we need. And of course, to find the number that goes in the blank, we're going to take half of 8, which is 4, and square it. And that gives us 16. So let me just write what I just said. We're going to take half of 8. So half of 8 equals 4. And then we're going to square it. So 4 squared equals 16. Okay, and that's the number that goes in the blank. So let's go ahead and fill in this blank with 16. So I'll place positive 16 here. All right, and so as you can see, this creates the perfect square structure. Now we're going to balance the expression, and I'm going to rewrite the expression here, and that is x squared plus 8x plus 16 plus 3. And now I'm going to place negative 16. All right, I want you to see this, that I had to keep the value the same as what we have here in the top. That's why we added the negative 16 there. So what I also want to point out is that negative 16 and positive 16 cancel. Okay. But since I added 16, of course, I subtract 16 to keep the value the same. Okay, so it's very important to keep that in mind as well. Now what we're going to do is rewrite the perfect square, and that is x plus 4 squared plus 3 minus 16. And the first 3 terms do form x plus 4 squared, but then we have to combine the constants. So we have to combine these constants to get the final result. And when we do that, we get x plus 4 squared minus 13. And that's our final answer. So I will go ahead and box that in. So if this has helped you, please consider leaving a like and please subscribe. You may also want to leave a comment in the comment section below if this has helped you or not. But either way, keep practicing and stay tuned for more calm, clear math lessons right here on Math by TV.